What's up everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Connecting your Epson printer to a computer doesn't have to be confusing, but it is common for people to get stuck sometimes. If you also want to connect your printer to your Windows computer, you're in the right place. Stick with me and I'll walk you through the simple steps and quick setup process. So let's begin. First of all, browse the official Epson website on your computer's web browser. Once you are on the home page of the website, search for Epson printer model. After that, you will see a welcome screen for your printer model. So choose the Let Get Started option to move forward. On the open page, you should scroll down a bit and then click on Download button. When you see the pop-up, select Start Download and wait for the download to finish. After the download, access the file from the download folder and double-click on the file to open it. Now, to complete the license agreement, choose the Agree button. Also, if you see the pop-up for the confirmation like this, then select Yes. On the additional agreement page, make sure the checkbox is selected and click on Next. Then, choose the Next button on the open page. After that, the download of the required software will start. Sometimes it can take hours to complete. Once you are on the connection method screen, then click on Connect via Wireless Network radio button. After that, it will prompt you to press the Wi-Fi button on your printer for around 5 seconds. Once that's done, move to your Windows device screen and click on the Next button. Next, it will show the setup is in progress. You should let it complete and your printer setup on the computer will be complete.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.